Hello and welcome to the Cambridge People Analytics program. In this 8-week online learning experience, you will learn the fundamentals of people analytics. By the end, you will develop the strategic and analytical tools needed to transform how your business works with its most precious resource, its people.
This program has been developed by the University of Cambridge Psychometrics Centre and is brought to you online in collaboration with Emeritus. Now, it's important to say that this is neither a typical executive course nor a technical proficiency course. Instead, the mission and philosophy of this program mirrors the multidisciplinary nature of the Psychometrics Centre itself.
For the past 30 years, the Centre has combined cutting-edge academic research with a highly practical approach to real-world challenges in psychological assessment. We publish pure academic research papers, but we've also developed psychometric tests that are used commercially for recruitment and staff development. Our training courses and assessment tools are having an impact in other domains too, like in schools and hospitals. And we believe this hybrid approach to be the best way of promoting the use of high-quality assessment in strategic decision-making. We also believe this approach makes for engaging and applicable learning experiences, so we've applied it to the development of this online program.
In the next 2 months, you'll learn to synthesize and apply both the strategic and business know-how from management and the scientific and methodological expertise from data science. Together, these two sets of skills will help you to excel in the dynamic field of people analytics. So with this, it is our pleasure to introduce you to our Psychometrics Centre colleagues and your programme faculty, Peter Romero and Luning Sun.
Peter and Luning will guide you step by step through all of the material in this programme. They have expertly organised a wealth of content into 8 modules covering what we believe to be the main areas of competence for any people analytics professional working today.
So that's all from me and Ves for now. We look forward to seeing you again at the end of the programme.
Hello and thank you. People Analytics presents many opportunities to combine the gold standard in psychological research with the latest technologies from computer science. Together, we will teach you how to combine these different tools to inform strategic decision-making, generate data-driven insights from people data, and ultimately help to future-proof your business.
This is an exciting and ever-changing area, and our idea of what people analytics means is not set in stone. Therefore, we have tried to keep step with developments and make sure that you can apply what you learn in this program to your own organization. We think that all of the topics we cover will continue to be relevant to you as your career develops, even though the very nature of work and the conditions of the job market might be constantly changing around us.
Luning and I have combined all of our research training and practical experience to create what we aim to be a very engaging program. Each module is comprised of many different types of content to ensure that we stay true to the dynamic nature of the field.
This means you can expect a diverse mix of lecture videos, expert interviews, case studies, targeted reading material, interactive Q&A, group discussions, and much, much more. Throughout your time as a participant, we promise to both challenge you to think differently and to support you in your learning journey. No prior knowledge of people analytics is required, and you can always take things at your own pace.
Let's look at the structure of the program. Each module will build on the previous one to take you through the entire process of running a people analytics project, from how you set up your team to how you demonstrate impact with your results. We will explore how to strategically position a people analytics function within your corporate structure and how to set yourself up for success from the very beginning. We will look at the competitive landscape, professional and functional maturity, and stakeholder identification. Next, we will cover the practice of data warehousing, enable you to organize, analyze, and leverage the data that already exists within your organization. Where's the data? How do you work with it? How do you transform it to solve strategic challenges? And how do you choose an appropriate problem to tackle with people analytics? You will be introduced to some of the practical problem-solving tools we can use to design people analytics projects. Root cause analysis and project management tactics will help you ensure that you dig under the surface of organizational challenges and tackle the really important issues.
Together, we will work through the key milestones in any project and share some tips on how to stay aligned with strategic imperatives. Having identified the possible root cause of challenges like productivity, engagement, or turnover rates, we will help you to take a scientific approach to our people analytics projects. We will learn the research techniques we need to design successful experiments. How can you maximize the quality of your data and the utility of your insights, and how you can do so while navigating the complex organizational context in which these projects usually happen. This will lead into one of the most important areas of competence for many people analytics departments, psychometrics. We will explain the theory and practice of occupational testing, sharing with you our expertise in test development and selection to help you choose the right measurement instruments. This module will also increase your confidence in working with data about people and data generated by people.
We will look at the integration of data science techniques with corporate strategy and how these techniques are taking place in people analytics from being mostly descriptive practice to being a mostly predictive one. We will learn to translate talent questions into data questions and familiarize ourselves with development of machine learning algorithms. Finally, we will discuss the role of people analytics in society. Like any powerful new technology, people analytics can be transformative, but it is completely up to you to decide what kind of transformation you would like to bring about in your organizations. We will look at the role that senior people analytics leaders have in ensuring that workplace technologies are deployed in a fair and equitable manner. Through reflection and discussion, you will develop greater fluency in the ethical dilemmas facing us as the worlds of human resources and artificial intelligence collide.
We hope you now have a sense of what to expect from the Cambridge People Analytics program and feel ready to get into the details. Welcome to the program. Thank you again for joining us. Let's get started.